Today I'm going to show you how simple it is to add a full-width Google map to your website. In your browser, open Google Maps and search for your desired location. Next, click on the Share button that can be found on the left of your screen. Choose Embed a Map, then click Copy HTML. Next, on your divi, add a new section in a row. Then add the divi code module. Paste your copied embed code from Google here. In the iframe code, search for the width and change the value to 100%. You may also change the height depending on your design. Click the green check button to save. Next, edit your row by clicking the gear icon, and under the Design tab, go to Width Settings and set it to 100% and the maximum width to 100%. Next, navigate to the spacing section and input 0 pixels on the top, right, bottom, and left fields. Click the green check button to save. Go to Section Settings and navigate to the Design tab. Go to the spacing section and do the same as what you did to your row. Input 0 pixels on all sides. Save your work and exit the Visual Builder. Voila! That's it. A simple way to embed Google Maps on your website without using an API. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.